Good evening, children. Welcome to today's evening session. Here, the question we are going to discuss is if the nth term of an AP 975 etc. is same as the nth term of the AP 15, 12, 9, you have to find n here. Now, my dear friends, based on this, here there are two arithmetic progression series. Both of them are different. So, AP1 I considered 975 and this I try to identify A is 9, D is 7 minus 9 which gives you minus 2, that is A2 minus A1 formula I used. Now children, second AP observe 15, 12, 9 etc. they are given. Here A is 15, common difference is 12 minus 15 which gives you negative of 3. Once we have identified A and D, they said nth terms are equal. Therefore, nth term of the first AP is equal to nth term of the second AP I considered. Now, formula you take A plus n minus 1 into D equals A plus n minus 1 into D I considered. Substitute the values. First AP, A is 9 plus n minus 1 multiplied by common difference is negative of 2. Second AP, A is 15 plus n minus 1 multiplied by common difference is negative of 3. Once you have identified this, remove the brackets here. 9 plus into minus is minus 2n, minus into minus is plus 2 equals 15, minus into plus is minus 3n, minus into minus plus 3, 1 is 3 I have taken. Now 9 plus 2 gives you 11, 15 plus 3 gives you 18, remaining I written same. So like terms you shift to the same side, 11 minus 18 equals negative of 3n plus 2n I taken. Here plus 2n is taken because on the left hand side negative of 2n is there. So 11 minus 18 gives you minus 7, minus 3n plus 2n gives you minus n. Both the side negative sign get cancelled. Therefore, number of terms is considered as 7. Any doubts you are having, you can ask. Yes, my dear children, next numerical we are discussing is find the 12th term from the end of the AP 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. up to 201. Here, dear children, you should be little bit careful. Up to now, we learned to find the 12th term from the beginning. But remember, children, we are finding the 12th term from the end. From the end, you just imagine how you can identify. Here, usually from the beginning, we are considering first term as A, but we are calculating from the last. Therefore, here first term we are considering it as A equals 201. Now common difference from the beginning is A2 minus A1, 5 minus 3 gives you plus 2, but here you have to consider as negative of 2 because 201 next previous term will be 199, you remember. So once we got it, now what is 12th term of the AP? 12th term of the AP is A plus 11D. We are finding from the end. Therefore, A is 201, 11 multiplied by minus 2. So it gives you 201 minus 22 which is equal to 179 is considered as the final simplified answer here. Here the next sum given for us to solve is find the 12th term of the AP 3, 8, 13 etc. up to 253 from the end. Now we try to identify A. A means first term. First term here is actually 3, but we are calculating from the end. Therefore A is considered as 253. Next common difference A2 minus A1, 8 minus 3 I taken it is 5, but it is from the beginning. But from the last, we have to take negative of 5. Therefore, A12 means A plus 11D. It is considered A is substituted as 253 plus 11 multiplied by minus 5. So, my dear children, 253 minus 55 gives you 198, which is considered as 12th term from the end of the AP. Yes, children, here the question is the fourth term of an AP is 3 times the first and the seventh term exceeds twice the third term by 1. Find the first term and the common difference. Once we are able to identify the numerical properly, here each and every word you have to convert to the equation. Observe here they said fourth term of an AP. Immediately I have to understand it is 4a. What it is, understand? Fourth term of the AP means you should not identify as 4a. It is A4 you have to identify. There is a lot of difference in AP between 4a and A4. So now A4 is next observe 3 times the first. 3 times the first means 3 multiplied by A. Next they said seventh term A7 exceeds means plus twice the third term means 2 times A3 by 1. So we have written equation here. After this, my dear children, A4 means understand it is A plus 3D equals 3A. Now A I shifted to right hand plus A becomes minus A. 3A minus A gives you 2A equals 3D. 2 you shift to left hand. 3D by 2 is considered as A. Once we got it, come to the right hand side here. Seventh term means A plus 6D equals 2 multiplied by third term is A plus 2D plus 1. Now it is remove the bracket 2 into A is 2A plus into plus is plus 2 2s are 4D plus 1. Now A you shift to right hand 2A minus A. 6D you shift to right hand 4D minus 6D plus 1 equals 0. Next children here 2A minus A gives you 1A. 4D minus 6D gives you minus 2D plus 1 equals 0. Now it is substitute the value of A here. A is 3D by 2 that you write in place of A. 3D by 2 minus 2D plus 1 equals 0. Now children take the LCM. 2 is the LCM for 2 and 1. Now 3D minus 4D equals plus 1. You shift to right hand minus 1. Now you cross multiply 2 comes to numerator plus 2 into minus 1 gives you minus 2. 3D minus 4D gives you minus D. Once you got it, both the side negative sign get cancelled. D is considered as 2. Now substitute this D value in the equation number 1. What we are having? A equals 3D divided by 2. Now in place of D you write 2. Numerator and denominator 2 get cancelled. Therefore A value is considered as 3. Hence we have found the first term and the common difference both. Dear friends, here the next numerical is find the second term and nth term of an AP whose sixth term is 12 and the eighth term is 12 here. Now, remember sixth term means we can write it as A plus 5D equals 12. Next, eighth term is A plus 7D is 22. Now you change the sign of the subtrahend. All the three terms you change to minus. Plus A and minus A get cancelled. 5 minus 7D gives you minus 2D equals 12 minus 22 gives you minus 10. Now D equals negative of 10 divided by negative of 2 which gives you plus 5. Once you got D value, you substitute the value of D in equation 1 or 2 wherever you want. Now my dear children, A plus 5D equals 12. This is equation number 1 we are having. Now D value is substitute 5. 5 is 25. Shift to right hand. 12 minus 25 gives you minus 13. So we got A and D. Then you try to find A2. A2 is A plus D. So minus 13 plus 5 gives you minus 8 is the first answer. Next, nth term they asked AN equals A plus n minus 1 into D. A is minus 13 plus n minus 1 multiplied by D is 5. So minus 13 plus into plus is plus 5 into n gives you 5n plus into minus is minus 5 ones are 5. So minus 13 minus 5 gives you minus 18 plus 5n. So we have identified nth term of the given AP and also second term of the given AP.